So as you may know, I've been creating project series, some new projects and some old ones that I'm updating and providing again. A while back, I uploaded a server backup bot on Patreon, which was really good and fully functional. But there were a few things missing and some enhancements that were needed, which we have now added in this new update. So now we're going to take a look at everything. Let's see. First of all, where will you get the source code? You'll find a link in the description for the source code. Click on it and you'll come to a page like this. Here, you'll see a shop tab. Click on it and you'll find all the source codes. So simply, you'll see it here. Click on it and you'll get the full description. You can read it if you want, otherwise just buy it. After purchasing, you'll get access to a zip file. Simply download that zip file and then unzip it. After unzipping, open the folder in Visual Studio Code and you'll see the entire source code like this. All right, so here you will also get a complete README, and if you want, you can follow it to set everything up. Otherwise, you just need to go to config.json, where you will give your bot token, then your bot ID, and then the MongoDB URL for the database. And getting all of this is very easy, all right? After you provide everything, simply open the terminal and type node space dot and hit enter, and your bot will start within a few seconds. Now, you need to go to your server, and once you are there, type / and all the commands will appear. We will check all of them one by one. So first is backup create. And when you run this command, it will show a confirmation message. When you click yes, it will show the setup embed. Here you will choose what you want to include in the backup. I select some options like this and then simply click create backup and it will start creating the backup. The time depends on how big your server is and it shows a very cool animation is not it. All right, so now your backup is created and you can check it using backup info. It will show all your backups like this. And now there is another new command view. This was not available before, but now it is. So now you can view channels and roles, which is nice. And with another command, you can delete a backup or load it like this. And one more new feature is backup scheduled. So by using set backup scheduled, you can set it and then also view logs. It will automatically take backups daily or according to the time you set. And you can check its status and also disable it. Very cool, right? All right, so I hope you liked it and you should get this. If you want to keep your server protected, all right? If there is any issue, then join our Discord server and I will personally help you. All right.